Hey everyone, so you have already got or are planning to get a Shoppers Stop e-voucher? Let me show you how to use this voucher. Hi, I'm Stella, your host for the day. Keep on watching the video and follow these steps. Sign up to Shoppers Stop account at www.shopperstop.com. Select products and add to cart. Click on Checkout. Enter your delivery address, then proceed to checkout. In gift card or e-gift voucher section, input your gift voucher code and PIN under e-gift card voucher and click redeem. Yay! Voucher balance has been added successfully. That's not all. Gift vouchers are accepted at all listed outlets and on the website at www.shopperstop.com. Multiple gift vouchers can be used in one bill. You may also give these vouchers to your friends and family members as they are easily transferable via SMS and email. Thank you for watching the video. Happy shopping!